drizzling, and so much more quiet. My old motorbike's ready repaired. It's Saturday night, hopefully on stars and moonlight. When it's drizzling and so cool, I could go to the town square with my sweetheart. I bought a lot of drinks, crackers and meals deliciously, and we ate together side by side. When the rain began to fall, a lot of people rushed home and the others took care. Look at just quickly, the quiet atmosphere was not as I expected. There's just no live show as like the weekends before. Sheltering under banyan tree, and our food was all wet, but we still ate together. We faced each other and smiled while we tasted the all-wet meal. When the rain dropped heavily, we ran to the mosque, waiting for the rain to stop. We continued eating and drinking. When the rain dropped like cat and dog, we talked about the past. It turned out to be beautiful and fun. Shortly afterward, the rain started to stop. We rushed home riding an old motorbike. When the rain dropped heavily, we ran to the mosque, waiting for the rain to stop. We continued eating and drinking. When the rain dropped like cat and dog, we talked about the past. It turned out to be beautiful and fun. Shortly afterward, the rain started to stop. We rushed home riding an old motorbike. We went home in a wonderful trip. We felt everything was beautiful and fun. Even though it was so quiet atmosphere, our weekend so beautiful and exciting in our minds.